Hey everyone, welcome back. Apple has launched a brand new app for managing an immersive video library on a Mac. Apple Immersive Videos are 3D videos shot in stunning 8K resolution featuring a 180-degree field of view and spatial audio. Notable examples include recent performance by The Weeknd and heavy metal legends Metallica. To support the creation and playback of this content, Apple has released the Apple Immersive Video Utility app. This tool lets users import, organize, package, and even review immersive video files on a Mac. It also supports connecting one or more Apple Vision Pro headsets for playback with synchronized viewing available for group sessions. It's worth pointing out that the app is primarily geared toward content creators working with Apple Immersive Video, but it's also available for anyone to download. It's free on the App Store for both macOS and visionOS, though it currently supports only US English. To use this app, you will need a Mac with an M1 chip or later, running macOS Sequoia or later. So keep this pivotal thing in your mind when trying to install it on your Mac, or for that matter, take it for a run.